Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
So, eto na nga, my love, ang ating letter sender of the night. This one was sent to us over at our Facebook page, DJ Lala Banderas. Late? Anong late? Let's make it quick. This one is from RJ. Ito po ang biyahe ng buhay ni RJ. Dear DJ Lala, I have a problem for my future family. May isang anak na kami. Pero, nahuli ko siyang may kasamang iba. Simple lang naman po ang aking katanungan. Tama ba na ipaglaban ko pa siya kahit alam kong may nangyari na sa kanila ng lalaking nahuli kong kasama niya? Maraming salamat po and more power to your show, DJ Lala. Hi sa you, RJ. First of all, thank you for sharing your problems with me. Thank you for sending in your letters sa DJ Lala Banderas Facebook page. Now, my love, if the question ay tama bang ipaglaban mo pa siya, I think you are not only fighting kasi for the love of your life, you are also fighting for your family. Not a lot of people ay may capacity to forgive. And it differs. Magkakaiba yan sa iba't ibang tao. May mga taong capable magpatawad despite and in spite of. May mga taong hindi makapagpatawad, hindi makatanggap ng ganong klaseng pagkakasala. Do you think you are one of those people that can forgive? That can encourage your wife to change for the better? Do you think your heart is big enough para magpatawad ng ganong katinding kasalanan? Uulitin ko, you are not only fighting for yourself, you are also fighting for your family. Do you want to risk what you have because hindi ka marunong magpatawad? Or alam mo sa sarili mo na this is not gonna be the only time na gagawin niya to sa'yo. So, maaga-aga pa lang, sa simula pa lang, putulin mo na para hindi kayo mahirapan pare-pareho. You see, there are a lot of instances kasi that you have to consider when you are about to make this decision. Pero, let me tell you this. Ako kasi, I know within my heart na there's nothing I wouldn't do for my family. Even the unthinkable, kumpara sa pamilya ko, sa ngalan ng pamilya ko, gagawin ko yun. Even forgiving someone, after ko siya mahuli with someone else, I will do that, my love. Not because I am a martyr, not because I am insensitive, not because I am naive, but because I'm not only fighting for myself, I'm fighting for my family. If it's the first time na naranasan ko yun, dapa. If you may wanna call it, pagkakadapa niya yun. I will forgive. Bibigyan ko siya ng pagkakataon to redeem yung sarili niya sa akin at sa pamilya ko. Bibigyan ko siya ng pagkakataon. I will let love prevail. I will let the concept of my family intact prevail. Pero if it's a continuous and repeated offense, yun papakawalan ko na. Kasi us being at the least of that person's priority is sign enough for me na itong pamilyang to para sa kanya is not as important as it is to me. I think what I'm trying to say is, if it's for the first time, my love, I know a lot of people will tell you not to do this, but I will tell you to do this. Kasi nga, ayokong lumaki yung anak mo nang walang buong pamilya. It's hard kasi when there's a child involved and you don't even know po talaga kung anong klaseng mental na paghihirap yung kayang dalhin yan sa bata if that child grew up ng kulang yung pagpapalaki na nakuha niya. Kulang yung pamilyang gumabay sa kanya. So, I will tell you to forgive. Kumbaga, kunin mo sa kaibuturan ng puso mo yung hangganan ng pagpapatawad. Hilain mo paangat para lumabas siya. Magpatawad ka sa una at huling pagkakataon. Pero again, kapag naulit pa, my love, that's how you know. This is a battle. Hindi battle ng babae, hindi battle para makuha mo yung asawa mo, battle of custody na to. Kasi this time around, you are gonna be a father to a child. Even without the mother, hindi naman nun ima-minus yung pagiging ama mo. You will always be a father to that child. So you can battle out for custody kasi alam mong yung babae naman, yung hindi makontento sa isa. Yung babae naman yung hindi man lang nilalagay sa kokote nila yung konsepto ng pagiging magulang sa anak nila. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Sa mundo natin, mahal ko, ang dali sabihin na iwanan mo na yan. Maghanap ka ng iba. Kapag nagloko yan ako, magloloko lang yan ulit. Ang daling sabihin yan, my love. Pero sa konsepto ng pamilya, wala talaga magiging perpekto. There will be temptations around you. There will be temptations constantly. And sometimes, kailangan mong hugutin sa kaibuturan ng puso mo yung tatag. Para lang hilain yung pamilya mo together. Para pilitin siyang buuhin. So if there is a chance that you can build your family, if there's a chance na mabuo mo yung pamilya mo, I hope you take that chance. There's a lot of broken families already in the Philippines. Do not let your family to be one of them. I'm not saying that it's a bad thing. All I'm saying, it's better kapag buo yung iyo. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Let's try to forgive people and give them the opportunity to change. Believe that they can. Pray that they can. And have faith on them na they can. Kasi if someone like you na nagsha-share na ng life with them, cannot even believe in them, would not even have faith in them, wala na silang future. Wala na silang maabot. So if you really want to be a partner to that person, try. All you have to do is try, my love. If hindi talaga kaya, wag. Pero kung pwedeng subukan, subukan. Klaro? Klaro. My love, tandaan ninyo, it takes a big person to walk away from a fight. Pero it will always take a bigger person to forgive. So if there's an opportunity for you to forgive, kunin mo. It will not only be, sabihin na natin, beneficial to the person na papatawarin mo. It will also be beneficial for you. Na wag nang mag-ipon, na wag nang magkimkim ng sakit, ng pain sa puso mo. Because you know how to forgive.